Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Fiesta backseat easy guide. Begin by gathering a ratchet, 10 mm socket, flat pry tool, gloves, and a flashlight. Clear the rear footwell and remove any floor mats or items that obstruct access. Keep a small tray for bolts so you do not lose them. Move at a steady pace, checking for hidden clips under the seat cushion. In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Fiesta backseat easy guide. Fold the rear seatbacks forward and locate the front clips that secure the cushion. Press or pry the clips gently while lifting the cushion upward and forward to free it from the rear hooks. Set the cushion aside on a protected surface. Keep bolts and clips together so reinstallation is straightforward and painless. In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Fiesta backseat easy guide. Quick recommendation: pick up leak-proof meal prep containers to keep snacks and bolts organized while you work. They close tight and won't spill in the trunk. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more simple car guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Fiesta backseat easy guide. With the cushion out, unbolt the lower hinges that secure the seatback using a 10 mm socket. Check for and disconnect any wiring for sensors or heated seats before attempting full removal. Carefully tilt and maneuver the seatback out of the car, watching trim edges and wiring. Store the seatback safely to avoid damage while you work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.